Yes, of course, I have a gentle brother with me right here. Yes, of course, he want to say his own view regarding Nigeria at 65 years of independence. Great nation, great people. Yes, your name.
Ohulegbe Destiny.
Yeah, what is your take? Nigeria at 65 years as a student. Student of which school?
AAU.
Yes, what is your take on that?
I don't. It's really good that Nigeria is 65 years old, but we have not really felt democracy, and a lot of things are not really moving on well in the country. Things are too expensive, insecurity. So the government have to really try their best, have to do more for us, the people, because a lot of people are passing through a lot, and which is not really good. People are trying, but the government will also try their best to. Thank God Nigeria is 65.
All right, your wish to Nigerians. Celebrate Nigeria at 65.
I wish Nigeria were another year to go again. We'll still be happy to celebrate next year and try again. I also hope everything is better.
By God's grace. All right, thank you so much. Great people, a great nation. Nigeria, of course, Nigeria at 65. And of course, we'll keep on celebrating. So many persons has asked, are we really there? But we are still on a transit. We've not gotten to the destination where we are all going. Of course, Nigeria, one day, will definitely get there. Great nation, great people, one nation, one people. Thank you so much. Ego Studio, felicitate with Nigeria at 65. All right, still celebrating Nigeria at 65 years of independence. Cross-section of persons actually are actually giving their opinion. Yes, 65 years is not a child's play, and of course, Nigerians. You talk of the transportation, talk of the health, talk of the education. Has it been well, or the good, the bad, the ugly side? And of course, a gentleman is here to say his own version of 65 years of Nigeria independence. Your name, sir?
My name is Kodowa Ambrose. I'm a businessman. I'm into telecom. I've been in this business for like 17 years now.
Well, you can mention the name of your business.
My business name is Chrisborn Communication. Well, so far, Nigeria 65, I would say that things has not really been the way it's supposed to be. Because Nigeria 65, we, the citizens, we are not really seeing the freedom of democracy. We are not really seeing the effect of government. We are not seeing anything. But what is actually going on here in Nigeria 65? I think the government really need to do more because they are not doing more. The issue is with the government, anybody that is elected, they just try to take advantage of everything, and the citizens, we are not seeing much of
Democracy.
we are not seeing much of democracy. We are not seeing much of impact of the government. That is what I see on Nigeria 65.
Lastly, now when we talk of the transportation, the aviation, the health, the education, does it mean nothing from your own perspective?
Yeah, the transportation and the aviation, and I will say on that, they have not really done much on it. They need to really put their heads down and do the needful, and trying to reorganize the transport system, the transportation system, the railway, and all of them, in quotes. That is my personal opinion.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless you.
Thank you.
All right, still in the euphoria of the Nigeria at 65 years of independence. Great Nigeria, great people, of course, cross-section of Nigerians. Let's hear their reaction. Yes, I have with me here a gentleman and, of course, a Nigerian. Your name?
My name is Bello Mohammed Yaro, the chairman of Ariwa APC Ido Central. And we have been lost before, but God do it. Since the time the coming of the Nigeria President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, the country has been coming normal now. because we have been seeing that things have been good.
So democracy is back.
Democracy is back now. We have been seeing that things are moving normal. If you look about in the road instructions and the other different things, all things are going normal. Especially if you look about our governor, the Messiah working governor of Edo State, who is working like say no day to stop. He made everything come to normal. With that, we have been supporting the mission of our president that 4 plus 4, 2027, by the God's grace, by the Almighty grace, everything will be coming
Now,
normal.
when you talk of democracy, have you people been feeling the Arewas right here in Edo State? Have you been feeling the democracy of the government?
The Arewa people we did not know about democracy till this time around, because there's no. But this time around, if you check in the state, we have the office of Arewa, the senior advisor to the governor, who appointed Alhaji Danjuma Garba as the chairman, the Arewa APC as the senior advisor to the governor. This is the first time we have been witnessing something like this.
We talk of road, healthcare.
And there is something going on in part of road and different works, even the help, which they used to help our people, empowerment and other different things. This is the time we have been noticing.
So generally, you are feeling the heat of democracy. Is that what you are telling?
The heat of democracy.
All right,
now.
thank you so much.
More great.
Eagle Studio TV. Keep watching. The full episode is available on YouTube.
Eagle Studio TV. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.